Alright, session 3. So this is where I am right now. I'm about a week in, so I know I have another week or two to get more and more comfortable so I can move on to the next lesson. So this one is about the third and the fourth string. We already covered the first two strings, and now we're going to be moving on to our third and our fourth string. So what I'll do is I'll go through the exercise. I just want to kind of capture for myself and for everybody out there too, just capture where I've started, and then 2-3 weeks from now I'll capture again how much I've progressed basically. So that's really what I want to document in this series. So I'm going to go through this, and anyone has questions or anything at all, like I know I didn't go into much detail about the frets and the actual names of the strings and all that. I didn't really think this is the purpose of this series. It's more just to kind of show my progression through using this series of DVDs that I got from the torrent site and the books and so on. But if you have questions on the torrent site or some little items like you can't seem to do something, I can kind of give you some ideas. I'll try and throw in some pointers where I can. Again, I'm new to all this, so any pointers anyone can give me would be greatly appreciated as well. So I'm going to go through a couple of notes on my third string. So that's going to be my first exercise. So it's going to be my G and my A. So I'm going to go through those. All right. So G is open, third string, and my A is my second fret. So that's just what I'm going to go through these exercises. And this one's going to jump around a little. I'm going to jump to the next one, so it's going to be my second, third string. So let's go through that. And my A. It's difficult to jump around. This is what comes with the practice, right? This is really what I do. I just go through each exercise. I'm just doing a couple of examples for you guys, and then I just practice them. So I'll go through my fourth string. My fourth string is going to be my D, my E, and my F. So I'll go through that one. So fourth string, 1, 2, 3, 4. D, open. The D, second fret, fourth string, E, third string, fourth string, third fret is an F. So I'm going to go through. So F, F, D, 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 D. I find it easy to repeat the notes, try and get some repetition to my head so I remember. Yeah, so we'll give this one a shot. This one's a little more difficult, so we'll give this a shot. Alright, it's fourth string. And they do like this whole up-down motion, so it's an eighth of a note, so I'm getting used to that as well. It's a little difficult. Tablature, and I'm also reading the notes, trying to get more and more familiar with that. I have difficult reading where the note is placed, so sometimes I'll just write it in if the tablature isn't in there, and I find that helpful. I think eventually I'll figure it all out, but for now it's okay. So I'll try and play a couple of songs. So I'll do Love Me Tender. This one's a little easier, so start with that one. So let's go through that. So this will be touching my third string, my first and my second string. So I'm sure you'll recognize it as well. Okay, let's try again. Whoa. A little off. Do that again. G, G, C, 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 A. my first string. Come on. Let's try that line again, alright? Those Love Me Tender. Yeah, I'll spare you the singing. Yankee Doodle. Oh, it's Yankee Doodle. Alright. That's a D. Rewrite that one. Alright. I know it's a little ear crunching, but after 2 weeks you'll see the difference. So let's go one more. When the same school marching in, this one's kind of hard too. So we'll give this a shot. Alright. And third string, G. That one's 8 notes, so let it go. Or 8 beats. So yeah, that's it for the beginning of my third and my fourth string, lesson 3. So I'll go check back with you guys in about a couple of weeks or so, and at least you see where I stand now. And I'll be practicing for the next 2 to 3 weeks, and I'll spare you the ear-wrenching noises until then. All right. So, but by the time I get there, it should be a lot. I'm confident it's going to be a lot easier. It's just like I showed you on the second lesson. It was a little easy to do those songs, so it's just going to take me some practice. I know that. So, but any words of encouragement, any tips at all, more than happy to take them. And any questions that you might have, notice my hand posture. If you have questions about how I'm deciding to put which fingers where, it's all part of the DVDs. But you know, if there are any questions, so far I feel it's kind of helpful. So, so that's it for now, and looking forward to seeing you guys in about a couple of weeks. Thanks. Bye.